Now, have you ever heard of a fire station without a phone or firefighters without any equipment or training? Headlines today travel to Palghar, some 100 kilometers from Mumbai, where a fire station has its office made of torn hoardings and laborers being used as firefighters.
They are supposed to be people's lifesavers, firefighters who are the only hope in case of a fire. But here's one fire station which is busy fighting the neglect of the authorities. 100 kilometers away from Mumbai in Palghar, here's how they are prepared to face a disaster. A makeshift office created using torn hoardings. And it is just the beginning. 5 laborers hired as firefighters just after attending a workshop. Yes, and that too without any proper training course.
Take a close look at this structure behind me. If you feel that it's a makeshift tent or something, then you are mistaken. And if we tell you that this is the office of a fire brigade of a municipal council, don't be surprised. Barely 100 kilometers from the country's financial capital, this is the office of the Palghar Fire Brigade, and it's situated in a cemetery. And as you can see in this picture, this makeshift office does not even have a permanent telephone connection or light connection, so as to say. So in case of an emergency, if there's a disaster like fire in a populated town like Palghar, there is no way that people can contact this fire brigade office, as there is no telephone connection as well.
Norms are openly flouted, security of the men are put at risk.
यूनिफॉर्म दिया है यहाँ पर?
यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है।
यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है? बाकी जूते, हेलमेट?
जूते, हेलमेट वगैरह कुछ नहीं है।
अगर कहीं आग लगती है तो आपको किस तरह से कांटेक्ट किया जाता है? प्रोसीजर क्या है?
अगर अभी फिलहाल कांटेक्ट का कोई जरिया नहीं है हमारे पास।
So in case of a fire, most of the time the Tarapur MIDC fire tenders are rushed, which is located 16 kilometers away from Palghar, as this station is ill-equipped to handle any situation, thus losing crucial time.
इन लोगों ने जो 5 लोगों का स्टाफ बनाया वो ट्रेन नहीं है, लोग उनको खाली बना के रख दिया, उनको कोई ट्रेनिंग दी।
उन्होंने फायर ब्रिगेड के लिए गाड़ी लाया, उसके लिए पैसा भी खर्चा किया, लेकिन वो खर्चा फिजूल जा रहा है।
But the Palghar Municipal Council is still defending its indefensible apathy.
आज भी भले हम अगर हमारे पास में फंड्स अवेलेबल है, लेकिन पूरा प्रिपेयर्डनेस करने के लिए हमको मार्च तक का टाइम जाएगा, जिसमें फायर टेंडर का बांधकाम कंस्ट्रक्शन है और फायर टेंडर का फुल फ्लेज प्रिपरेशन है.
Now, at a point of time when the country is talking about development and development modules, this situation, like the Palghar Fire Brigade, comes as a tight slap on the face of the administration. With camera person Kiran Sabkal, Kamlesh Sutar in Palghar for Headlines Today.